Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will be exploring the best 3D printer for reliability. These individual printers are especially for users who must ensure their projects are top-notch and reliable. And with that in mind, we'll be sure to find a printer that meets your needs and budget. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make a massive difference in the performance and efficiency of any project. To help you out, we have compiled a list of the best 3D printer for reliability. The 3D printers are one of the most essential elements when it comes to making sure your projects are top quality and reliable. The output of the 3D printer should be precise and accurate to ensure you get the desired outcomes. For your help, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Anycubic Cobra Max 3D Printer. Unleash your creative prowess with the ultimate 3D printing powerhouse, the Anycubic Cobra Max 3D Printer. Tired of cramped build spaces? Say hello to a realm of possibilities with a cavernous 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches build volume, 450 by 400 by 400 millimeters. But wait, there's more! Elevate your printing game with the Anycubic Leave IQ leveling function. Bid farewell to uneven beds, this wizardry boasts a 25-point bright calibration dance that does the jig for you. With just a button's touch, dive into printing paradise. Tick-tock, why wait? Zoom at up to 180 millimeters per second, 80 millimeters per second on average. That's 167% faster than your everyday standard. The adrenaline rush of faster speed means more fun with every layer. Crafted for precision and fortified with a double-thread Z-axis moving construction, this marvel laughs in the face of wobbles. Don't sweat filament shortages, the runout sensor is your vigilant sentinel. Wave goodbye to mid-print woes as it pauses gracefully when your filament dance runs dry. If you like this 3D printer, then be sure to check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 2 is our Chidi Technology X Smart 3 3D Printer. Our Chidi Technology X Smart 3 3D Printer is an optimistic leap into reliability and innovation. Standing tall as a beacon of dependable 3D printing, it's not merely another run-of-the-mill machine, it's a masterpiece of engineering prowess. Crafted to captivate seasoned creators and enthusiastic newcomers, the X Smart 3 boasts a splendid fusion of technology and design. This printer embodies the symphony of speed and precision with its 500 millimeters per second pinnacle printing speed and 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, all driven by the mighty Clipper firmware. But precision doesn't take a back seat, instead, it's steering the wheel. The X Smart 3 treats details with utmost care, offering a staggering 20% boost in accuracy during high-speed printing. The dual Z-axis support and 9.5:1 extruder gear ratio team up like synchronized dancers, hitting a crescendo of perfection at 300 degrees Celsius nozzle temperature and triple extrusion flow. Underneath the hood, a 64-bit Cortex A53 processor, clocking at 1.5 GHz, orchestrates the show, while 8G eMMC and 1G DDR3 ensure a seamless performance. Its high-flow direct drive extruder and filament detection brings simplicity to the fore, ensuring a hassle-free experience for creators of all levels. Get yours today by clicking on the link in the description box and take your printing to the next level. Number 3 is Artillery Sidewinder SWX2 3D Printer. In today's world, where innovation reigns supreme, the Artillery Sidewinder SWX2 3D Printer emerges as the triumphant titan of reliability. With a print speed reaching an astonishing 150 millimeters per second, it zips through projects like a shooting star, all while maintaining impeccable precision, especially with flexible filaments. Embrace the future with its direct drive extruder, a true maestro of high-quality prints. The printer's magical touch lies in its 95% pre-assembly, making installation an adventure anyone can conquer. Fear not the intricacies of calibration, for the Sidewinder X2 flaunts not one but 3 inductive sensor end stops. A synchronized dual Z system elevates precision, while the peaceful symphony of operation, courtesy of ultra-quiet stepper drivers and a belt-driven motion system, turns your workspace into a haven of quiet marvels. Power outages are mere blips, as the SWX2 is your loyal sentinel, picking up where it left off. The printer boasts a generous 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters build volume, transforming your imagination into reality. Marvel as it pauses when filament dries, saving you time and treasure. If you want to purchase this best 3D printer, the link is given in the description box. Number 4 is Frozen Sonic Mini 4K LCD Resin 3D Printer. Introducing the ultimate reliability rockstar in the realm of 3D printing wonders, the Frozen Sonic Mini 4K LCD Resin 3D Printer. Unleash your creative genius with this powerhouse that brings an exhilarating twist to precision and performance. Dive into the immersive realm of Ultra 4K printing precision, where a mind-boggling 3840 by 2160 resolution takes your creations to an ethereal level of detail. At 35mm, with a groundbreaking 722 ppi, it's the epitome of precision, tailor-made for crafters yearning to sculpt intricate miniatures or craft stunning jewelry pieces that rival celestial constellations. Fasten your seatbelts as the mono LCD screen propels your printing journey into warp speed. This wonder shatters barriers up to 4 times faster than ordinary printers, with each layer materializing in a mere 2 seconds. Size meets substance with the ample printing volume. A chamber that embraces 5.2-inch by 2.9-inch by 5.1-inch dimensions, proving that size doesn't compromise quality. Light as a feather and compact as a comet, it blends seamlessly into your world, your personal haven, or bustling professional terrain. Get the Resin 3D printer today by clicking on the link provided in the description box and enjoy hassle-free printing for years to come. Number 5 is Elegoo Neptune 4 3D Printer. Introducing the Elegoo Neptune 4 3D Printer, the ultimate marvel in 3D printing for those who demand unwavering reliability. This incredible machine is a game-changer designed to bring your 3D printing dreams to life with absolute precision and speed. With a lightning-fast printing speed of up to 500 millimeters per second, the Neptune 4 leaves competitors in the dust. Yet, it's about more than just speed, but also quality. The dual Z-axis lead screws guarantee rock-solid stability, and the pressure advance function ensures impeccable print detail. You get the best of both worlds. Filament feeding is smoother than ever when equipped with a direct drive extruder featuring a 5.2-to-1 reduction ratio. Plus, the 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle opens the door to a wide range of materials, from PLA to high-temperature nylon. Versatility at its finest. Don't stress about bed leveling. The Neptune 4 boasts a 121-point auto bed leveling system, guaranteeing hassle-free setup. And for that perfect first layer, use the hand-twist knobs under the PEI magnetic platform. If you want to get this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description below. That's all from us in today's video about the best 3D printer for reliability. We hope you liked this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content. And to remind you again, the link for all these printers is given in the description box so that you can buy them at the best price. Thanks for watching, and see you soon!